What's up, Motard fam? It's your boy Motard Steve, bringing you another Airsoft gameplay video. Today we'll be playing at Westminster Airsoft Field in Rock Hill, South Carolina. That's right, this is my local field. It's pretty much 4 miles away from me. I did a lot better today than I did at Gunny's. Halfway through the day though, I did kind of start sabotaging myself by trying to adjust my hop up way too high rather than play within my effective range. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what my best effective range is for this LVOA. It's completely stock, so there's nothing been modified with it yet. I've got some ideas that I might do eventually, but I want to play with the stock gun a good bit before I really start messing with things. That way I know exactly what I need to do and stuff like that. Oh, hit! Medic!
I think you're good now.
Alright, back in. Hit.
I'm hit. I got you in, bro.
Do what?
I got you in.
Oh, I'm back in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Just got you.
Back in. Let me see. Hit. Oh, hit. Am I back in?
Yeah.
I am starting to notice that I'm taking on more of a light DMR type play style, and I need to get a little better at knowing the effective range and engaging people at those ranges. But the good thing is I do have a variable zoom scope coming in that's 1:4 magnification, as well as some .30 gram BBs, so that should really help up the range, up the accuracy, and keep a lot of the wind drifting and stuff to a minimum. So looking real forward to start using those in gameplays, and throughout the week I've got some sight targets that I'm going to use to really dial this thing in and sight it in. So hopefully you guys are going to start seeing a lot more kills, but ultimately I don't think I did too bad in this gameplay. I did get a small handful of kills, which is way better than I did the first time, so to me that's a win there. So, you know, I've got a lot more to learn being so new to it.
Run.
They got the bomb right now?
Yeah, oh. Stop paying attention. Just trying to get out. Oh! This branch scared me. I thought I got hit.
The kid with the bomb's not calling a sit after.
So yeah, right here is where I adjusted my hop up way too high, and I don't have the best eyes, and the red dot doesn't really help as far as tracking shots, but as you can see, my shots started kind of curving way too far up towards the sky. So hopefully once I get this new scope and get everything sighted in, I'm just gonna have enough common sense to leave my hop up alone and just learn to play more within my effective range rather than trying to compensate by dialing my hop up way too high, because clearly, as you can see, it's just not working. My shots are completely off.
Hey, guy in the middle bunker. I can walk you. Alright.
So as you can see, there was clearly some people that were reluctant to call their own hits. And guys, keep in mind, when you're out in the field, maybe there's times where you think you're hitting someone and you're not. Or, you know, there might be times where you are hitting them and they just don't feel it. But keep in mind, guys, Airsoft is an honor-based system. If you're not honest, if you don't call your hits, it just ruins the game for everyone and just makes it unfair. And then as you can see, he return fires on me even though he should be called hit, but, you know, it is what it is. People are going to cheat. It's just kind of comes with the territory.
I don't know if they're calling hits or not.
They're not.
Hey, quick question. Do you guys think they're not calling hits?
Yeah, for sure.
Hit.
Oh, you're hit! Everybody, press fire! I got you, buddy. 10, 20, 30.
If you get, you probably get an ace, alright? If you get an ace, you're a terrorist, alright? No one knows who the terrorist is except for the terrorist and the other terrorist, alright? And that'll be decided by, we'll have everybody close their eyes in the circle and we'll say if you're a terrorist, open your eyes. And you look around and see who your other terrorist friends are. Everybody heads down, eyes closed, arms out. Heads down, eyes closed, arms out. Alright, terrorists, open your eyes, hold up your thumbs. Open your eyes, hold up your thumbs. You guys are working together. All right, thumbs in, eyes closed. All right, hands down. All right, eyes open. All right, 15-second ceasefire. Go. 15.
Run, I'm running with you. Traitor's truth.
Okay.
Everybody that's running away, I feel like they're terrorists.
Well, the smart thing would be for the terrorists to go hide somewhere.
Get him down, everybody.
Go, everyone. Everyone knows. Oh, my dude. My dude.
Oh.
For the rainbow. I didn't even. Wait, there's a chance. God, that hurt like a motherfucker.
Right in the stomach.
Good God. That was like 5 feet away.
So yeah guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video if you did. Sure to subscribe. click the bell icon. If you're one of the people I was playing with and you happen to watch this video, it was cool playing with you, man. Hope to see you again. As usual, click some of the videos in the left sidebar, check some of those out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.
Any cards?